Welcome. This is how Team MC² uses MicroPython program, Pybricks. Pybricks is a neat MicroPython program for coding Python across LEGO hubs like Boost, EV3, and Spike Prime. With Python being so popular, there are thousands of tutorials on how to use MicroPython. Up above, you can find some neat facts about Python and MicroPython.
Previously, we used block code with the EV3. The EV3 came with a block code editor application. So why do we choose MicroPython instead of block code? Well, for starters, MicroPython, like Pybricks, is much easier to read. Since it is text-based, the code can be more complex and allows for people to communicate their code. This helps users in the future to better understand what is happening. However, you need knowledge of Python, and it needs Python syntax. For block coding, it is difficult to debug and complicated to interpret. Block code is designed for beginners to get their feet wet in the coding world.
Pybricks has many advantages over some other programming languages. Some of the major advantages to Pybricks are the built-in functions. The library of functions that Pybricks has can be used between all LEGO programmable hubs. Once you have successfully installed the bootloader on your hub, you then gain access to some of the following features. To start off, there's soft start. Usually if the robot starts up with high speed, then there would be a small jolt in the beginning. The jolt may change the position of the robot. Stall detection. When using a high torque gear, it easily detects stalls so you don't ruin your equipment. And Pybricks allows you to initialize a DC motor with various gear ratios. So when you program a gear to turn 90 degrees, it will turn 90 degrees regardless of the gear ratios. Pybricks also has a neat documentation to search the coding library.
Here are some functions and programs we made for our robots, included in the old code for one of our mission runs, lovingly called Chicken Run, since it moves by the chicken statue. Keep in mind that the code can be several pictures long, so these are just copied screenshots to make a rough copy of our script.
Goodbye! Stay tuned for our next video!